Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's NADIAIMANSHARIF back at it again. I don't know what that was. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia with another video today. Basically, I went a little ham at Sephora. I haven't bought makeup at Sephora in forever. I'm the type of shopper that will buy one thing at a time. I won't go ham in one whole shopping spree. I just like to treat myself to a few things at a time. So I haven't been on a huge makeup shopping spree in so long. Probably since like college or high school. I just have always been that type of shopper to just buy everything one time. One thing at a time. Today I have a pretty big haul. Honestly, it's not that big, but the receipt, let me tell you, I spent like almost $400, and for me to spend $400 on makeup, it's a lot. I don't like doing that, especially at once. I'd rather invest in like something for my camera or my laptop or a nice little like luxury item. Before I start the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, hit the bell to be notified for whenever I post, you know, all of that good shiz. So yeah, but I did go a little bit ham at Sephora. Compared to what the usual YouTubers spend, really this is not a lot. Ooh, thumbnail. Okay, so anyways, without further ado, let's get started. The first bag is actually a gift from my friend. Hopefully I would have given it to her by the time this video is up, and she doesn't really watch my videos, so I can show you guys. My best friend just started a new job next to me in Manhattan, and I wanted to get her a little something. My friend is really into fragrances, so one of my favorite fragrances is... Oh, you can't even see it. I don't want to open it. Dang it. Ooh, it's so pretty. I know that Chloe has a few different scents, and I honestly forgot which... Aw, dang it, it's got lipstick on it! So I honestly forgot what scent this is called because I know Chloe has a few scents. This is the original one. I'll link it down below and I'll just put it up on the screen once I look it up. It's a really nice gift set. I forgot what fluid ounce this is, but it's a pretty decent size, and it comes with a body lotion. And my friend always is putting on lotion on her hands. She always needs lotion, so I thought that it would be a perfect little set to get her. And this is such a good scent. I don't know what to describe it, but it just smells fresh and clean with a little bit of like a flowery sweet scent to it, so I thought she would really appreciate that. I'm very excited about that. So that's my friend's little gift. Then it's my cousin's birthday on Monday, so I wanted to get her like a little gift. I really didn't know what to get her because I always get her eyeshadow palettes, but I don't know, my thing for 2020 has been focus on your like inner beauty, focus on your skin, your health, just like eating right. I really want to focus on skincare, and something that I know that she's always wanted is the Glam Glow mask. So I saw this set that I thought I would get her, and I think I'm gonna get her like a $50 Starbucks gift card or something. But I saw this Glam Glow set, and it was a really good deal. It was like 65 bucks for these 3 items. It comes with the Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Okay, I'm not sure which one that one is, but it comes with the Super Mud Clearing Treatment, which is the one that everyone has been really loving and raving about, the mud mask. And then it comes with a super toner, exfoliating acid solution, and then it comes with a moisturizer. Yeah, so I know that she'll really appreciate this because she's always been raving about the Glam Glow and how it's so expensive. So I thought I might as well get her this nice deal, and I thought that she would really appreciate it. So that is the second thing I got, and I thought it was also a really great deal. Okay, and the next few items are for myself. I went a little bit ham. I wanted to just add to my makeup collection. I haven't bought makeup like this in a while, so I just thought I might as well treat myself. So the first thing I got, which is sort of like an impulse buy, I saw and I fell in love with it, was this Patrick Ta set. I don't even realize this, but Patrick, he's a YouTuber. I'm sure you guys know him. He came out with a makeup line at Sephora, and oh my god, I saw it and I died. His makeup line really focused on girl power and loving yourself. A lot of his products are named such funny things. One of the Major Glow highlighting mist that I really love is called, another color says we need her and another one says we adore her, I think. I actually really wanted we need her. It was like a nice bronze gold color, but it was all sold out and I really just wanted to try this so badly. So I got this Major Glow highlighting mist. I believe it's for the face. I'm gonna spray it on right now. Oh, I see it. Ooh. Wow, that looks nice. So I sprayed it on my hand in the store and it was so beautiful. But it's just like a nice little mist for your face if you want to add a little like glow. Definitely, I'm going to order We Need Her online. But it also came with a fan and this is what sold me. Look. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, I love this. This is so cute. I love this. So I guess the purpose of this is to like spray your face after you spray the glow mist on. But honestly, I just really wanted this fan. It's so adorable. I love it. And as you can tell, I tried it and I didn't put any highlight on today, but you could still see that my face is glowing a little bit. And whew, this fan just sold me. I just really wanted this fan. So that's one of the impulse buys that I just grabbed and I wanted so badly. I also wanted one of these lipsticks, but again, one of the favorite colors I wanted was sold out. So I really needed a new foundation, and I don't know if you guys watched my vlog, but I met Huda like in July or August. She actually came to the place that I work and I helped her with like a banking need. So I wanted to get her foundation. I did actually have this a long time ago and it was amazing. I just never bought it again. And recently, like, I haven't been using my Fenty foundation because I don't know, I just like sometimes I just don't like the texture of it. I'm sorry, Riri, I still love you. I got the wrong color. I was supposed to get Tres Leches. Okay, so I tried on the color Tres Leches in the store and it was like perfect, but I picked up the wrong one. Oh, it could be my color. Let's try it. It's too light. It's too light. Yeah, it's definitely too light and I have to return it. Fudge. Yeah, I matched myself to Tres Leches, but I picked up a completely different color, so I'm mad at myself. But I still have the receipt, so I'm gonna go on and exchange it. They don't even have Huda Beauty foundations in every store. I'm so upset. Okay, so the next item I got from Huda Beauty is just one of her mini palettes. I saw this in the checkout line and I just wanted to try it. The colors look so pretty. It's just a nude palette. She has a couple other colors, but I just spoke to this one. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Let's see. But I love it. And I love that it's so small, so I could take it on vacation, I could take it to work, I could take it I'm done with school, but I could take it wherever I want because it's so tiny. And I think I want to get a couple more of these. It was kind of pricey though. It was $27 for 6 shades, but it's fine. So the next thing I got was just another Fenty lip gloss. I have the one that everyone has. I forgot what this is called because mine is so old. I forgot what it's called. It smells so good. But I saw that they came out. And then I saw that they came out with another color and they came out with 2 more colors. Pink color, which is called Fussy, and then a white holographic color. I went for the pink just because it's nice to have a little tint on your lips. And yeah, very excited about this because I'm almost out of this Fenty lip gloss. The next 2 items I got are for my hair. I actually recently got a keratin treatment done in my hair. I had a huge knot in my hair for about a month. So the texture of my hair is curly / wavy / very thick and frizzy. So I've had a big knot in my hair for about a month. Conditioned, I've taken about 20-30 showers and the knot still stayed in my hair. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a keratin treatment done. So that's what I did, which is, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is a little bit less frizzy, more tame. Keratin treatments are really good if you just want like a 2 or 3 months of easy manageable hair. But I did want to get a new conditioner. I just ran out of mine, so I wanted to get the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day conditioner. I read reviews and I heard it's great for damaged hair, it's great for thick hair, so I just wanted to go ahead and try it out. But I'm very excited for this, so I will let you guys know. Also got this Diva Curl Diva Fresh Scalp and Curl Revitalizer. So I had really curly hair years ago when I was around like 15, 16, and I sort of just lost it. I guess with all the heat that I used, all the coloring that I do. I wanted to get a product that helps my curls come back. I'm not going to use this until like 2 months though, because I still have the keratin treatment in my hair and I don't want my curls to come back just as yet. So I just wanted to get this now because I saw it and I'm going to use it in like a month or 2. So the last product that I wanted to show you guys was this beauty right over here. This is a blow dryer / hairbrush all-in-one. This is from Conair. It's called the Infinity Pro Conair Blow Brush Hair Dryer. Really like this. I'm the type of girl with very unmanageable hair, and I don't like taking showers right before work or right before I have to go out because I hate leaving the house with wet hair, and I hate the look of my hair with a hair dryer. I don't know how to give myself blowouts, so I decided to get one of these, and I used it last night, and I kid you not, it made my hair dry in less than half an hour, and it wasn't frizzy because you can blow your hair and brush your hair at the same time, and it just gives you that perfect sleek look. And I completely love this. Definitely go ahead and invest in one of these if you hate blow drying your hair. It was $45, which I don't like spending on hair brushes / hair dryers, but it was definitely worth the price. I got this at Dwayne Reed. Alright guys, that's basically all I have to show you today. It's not a lot of products now that I'm looking at it. I felt like it was more with the damage I did to my credit card, but it was just a lot of products that I've been needing / wanting for a while. Some gifts that I had to give to people, and I thought I might as well show you. Honestly, I'm most excited about my fan out of everything I got. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, hit subscribe, bell to get notified whenever I post on my channel. A lot more videos coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video.